Yeah, good evening, everyone. Now I am going to explain 12.1 exercise, 8th problem. So, once I will read the question. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank if the of the river due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? So you read the question thoroughly. It is a very easy question only. But what is the question? You know that whenever we are crossing a flowing water is there, it is difficult to us. We cannot start it very straightly. You need to go crossly, right? So it is very difficult. Why means the water flows will start you to cross that. So boat also, even boat also you can observe any boat journey is there. It will not take same time. While going it will take some different time. In returning it will take some different time. So why means it is water flow in the direction opposite to the water direction. It is very difficult to us. So how to draw it? First of all, you have to draw the two banks of the river. Then actually it is the width of the river. But what is happening? It will start from here and it will go right. So, but what is asking? He is saying that it is making 60 degrees with the band. You have to take here 60 degrees. The boat is making 60 degrees with the river. Now we have to find the distance it traveled is 600 meters. The distance it traveled is 600 meters. Now A, B, C. AB is the width of the river, but it cannot start from here to here also. We cannot start straightly. It will go like this only, but it is making a 60 degrees of angle with the band. So you have to draw the diagram like this. We need to find the width. You take it as x or any letter. What relation we have to take for this? For this 60 degrees, this will be the opposite, and this is given that the distance traveled is hypotenuse. So you have to take the opposite by hypotenuse, means sine ratio. So sine 60 is equal x by hypotenuse is 600. You know the value of sine 60, that is root 3 by 2 is equal x by 600. Now you can take it to this side. What will you get? It is 600 root 3 by 2. So x is equal 600. Now you can cancel it. So that is 300 root 3 meters. You can take root 3 as 1.73 and you can simplify it. Yeah. Now I am going to explain 9th problem of 12.1 exercise. I will read the question once. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eye is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? So the question is actually మనకి అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో అబ్జర్వర్ హైట్ ఇవ్వడు, ఇట్ ఈస్ నెగ్లిజిబుల్. బట్ హియర్ క్లియర్లీ మెన్షన్ height of the observer also. So you have to draw the diagram like this. This is the observer height 1.8 meters. Same like that only you draw. Here it is also 1.8 meters. Then this the remaining part is the height of the palm tree. Up to here you take it as h you take. Here one more condition is given. The observer is at 13.2 meters of distance. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకి పామ్ ట్రీ నుండి అబ్జర్వర్ 13.2 మీటర్స్ దూరంలో ఉన్నాడని ఇచ్చారు. తర్వాత అబ్జర్వర్ ఈజ్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ది పామ్ ట్రీ విత్ an angle of elevation 45 degrees. One more condition is given. Observer పామ్ ట్రీని టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రీని 45 degrees of angle of elevation లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది height of the tree. So in the diagram the height of the observer is taken. From here you have to find it. But what is the total height of the tree? From here to here it will be. So you have to write A, B, C and D you take, E you take. From B to D is the height of the palm tree. So same it will come here also like a rectangle. It will come like a rectangle. You have to find the height of the palm tree. Right. Here We already discussed that to find this, one is find what is required, one is another what is given. So these two ratio you have to take here for 45 degrees. This is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So opposite by adjacent is what? You have to write tan theta. So tan theta is equal opposite side by adjacent side. So you will write distance from the tree is 13.2 meters. Height of the observer. Height of the observer. Height of the observer is also given as 1.8 meters. Now you take tan 45. So tan 45 is equal, for this opposite is h. In this question we have to find it. Another one, adjacent side is 13.2. You know that tan 45 value is 1. This is h by 13.2. So doing cross multiplication, what will you get? H is equal 13.2 meters. But this is not the total height of the tree. Why means observer height is also given. So you have to add these two. Now height of the tree. Height of the tree is equal 13.2 plus 1.8 is equal 15 meters. Height of the tree is 15 meters.